Now, right, welcome to the last part of the assembling of my DJI F450. In the previous video we have already mounted the quad together and it's quite finished. Only one thing. Now, if we want to make start the motors don't start. But why? I had to find a solution and I searched on the internet and I asked a few colleagues and friends, and at the end I found the answer. You have to calibrate your ESCs. First, you have to unplug one of the motors from the DJI NAZA module. Then you have to unplug the first cable of the first channel of the receiver, and then you have to put in the cable from the motor into the first channel of your receiver. Just like here in the video. Very important. Take off the props when you do this stuff. It can be very dangerous with the props. You can cut your, maybe destroy your house, or I don't know. But take the props away and it's going to be good. Now, put your throttle onto 100%, give full throttle, then plug on the battery onto the quad, and then power up your radio. It's going to start beeping like crazy, like here, but it's normal. Now take the throttle, put it down to 0 and again to 100, that means down and up again, and now we are ready. The motors are going to start spinning like this. And now you have to do this on all the 4 motors. And now we have finished this. We are going to the next step. You have to make some changes, some settings on the NASA assistant software. But if you plug in your quad to the computer, it's not working. You have to download the assistant software. I guess you have done it. But you have also to download this installer, otherwise it's not working. Download it, then power up your quad and attach it to the computer. And now we are in the assistant software. Here you see all the kind of stuff. You can set all what you want. Now you see, if I move the sticks on the radio, it's going to move also on the software. Then you see the type of quad is a quadcopter, like here. Then the mounting of your GPS antenna, you have to write the distance of the X, Y and Z axis from your NAZA-M flight controller to the GPS, just like here. You have to be very careful. You have to watch the negative and positive numbers onto the axis if you mount the antenna under or over the quad. Then here you can choose your receiver type, tradition, D-bus and PPM. Here you can switch all the sticks on the radio, and below you can switch between the flight modes like GPS, ATI mode, or manual mode. Also fail-safe mode. You have to set all like you want. Then here are your gains that you have to adjust. Then like fail-safe, IOC, which I don't have, your gimbal when you have one, and the voltage protection switch that protects your battery and your quad when the battery is very low. You have to choose your cell type. I have a 4-cell LiPo. Then you can put in the voltage on which the quad is going to start to run, and the quad is starting to go below. Then there are some upgrades. Upgrade always onto the newest version, and some informations. And here you see all the informations of your quad. The protection switch is on, the voltage of the battery, then I have a 4S LiPo, and then the protections. I hope you like this little video, and here's a demo video of my quad. This was my last video of the assembling. I hope you like the series. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and goodbye.